how to embed video on Twitter on iPhone. So go ahead and open the Twitter application and go to the video which you want to embed. Tap on share button and tap on copy link. Now open your browser. I will be using my Safari. Paste the link on the search bar. Now we click on the double A here on the corner and click on desktop site. Zoom in and tap on these three dots on the top right. Now here, tap on embed tweet. Tap on copy code. Now go back to your Twitter application. Click on tweet, paste the code that you copied a while ago. And here, you only need to keep this part of the link. So go ahead and delete the other parts of the copied link. If you want to add a caption, type it in on the first part before the link and then click on send tweet. Once this is posted, it will be embedded. So that is how to embed video on Twitter and iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.